Welcome to ClearTax. In this video, we'll understand how to use the Assist coupon if you've received a notice from the Income Tax Department and filed your return through ClearTax. Start by opening your browser and typing ClearTax Notice Management in the search bar. Click on the link that appears. Once you're on the page, click the Buy Now button to proceed. Next, log into your ClearTax account using your credentials. After logging in, fill in your basic details such as name, contact, and state, then scroll down to the next section. Enter the coupon code you received in the coupon code field. Once you've entered the coupon code, click on Confirm and Pay to complete the transaction. After completing the transaction, upload your tax notice document or describe the notice in the message box. The assisted filing team will now take over and guide you step by step in responding to the notice you've received from the Income Tax Department.